In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge clients in Jobber. While Jobber doesn't currently have a built-in merge feature, you can still consolidate duplicate client records by manually moving details into a single, accurate profile. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that and share practical tips so nothing important gets lost. Start by signing in and heading to the home dashboard in Jobber. This gives you a clean starting point and ensures your navigation menu is visible on the left. From here, go to Clients. This opens your full client list where you can search by name, email, or phone to locate the records you want to consolidate. Next, choose the client profile you want to keep as your primary record. A good rule of thumb is to keep the version with the most complete history or the most accurate billing details. If you have two similar names, compare key identifiers, like the most recent phone number or the address you know is correct. For convenience, open the duplicate client profile in a separate browser tab so you can easily reference and copy from it. With your primary client open, click Edit. You're now in the place where you'll consolidate all data. Think of this as cleaning up and completing the single record that your team will rely on moving forward. Begin by transferring contact information. Copy over the most up-to-date first and last name, company name if applicable, primary phone numbers, and the best email address. If both records have information, choose the most accurate details or combine them thoughtfully, for example by adding a secondary phone number in the appropriate field. Keep formatting consistent to make future searches easier. Move on to addresses. Ensure the main service address and the billing address are correct and complete, including unit numbers and postal codes. If the duplicate record has a more precise or recently updated address, use that version here. If you use custom fields, tags, or internal notes, bring those over as well. Notes are especially valuable. Copy any context that will help your team, such as preferences or access instructions. If there are attachments or reference numbers in the duplicate profile, add those to the primary client so everything lives in one place. As you go, keep the two tabs side by side. Double-check entries before saving, and avoid overwriting good data. When you're confident everything looks right, save your changes. That's it. You've consolidated the client's information into a single, clean record. Going forward, use this primary profile for any new work, so your history stays accurate and easy to manage.